All right, so you're looking for a large chair that could accommodate you. Now, I'm 200 plus, all right, and this thing, extra space here, extra space here. I've never been so comfortable as I'm sitting here today. Now, I do work from home, but if you work from an office, perfect chair. Now, if you're a gamer, another perfect chair. The great thing about it, it has some hidden functions. It actually acts as a back massager and a heating area, all right? And I'm gonna show you some of the functions that it can do. But first of all, let me show you the functions that are included with the chair without any electronic. There is a leg extender here, so you can relax your legs. It's a pop-out from the underneath. It's a pop-out from underneath. You guys can see that. Put it there. And when you wanna relax, pull yourself back if you want, or put your legs up. And I'm gonna show you the side profiles so you guys can see that. So really relaxing. You could put this underneath your desk, pretty much anywhere. And then at the end of the day, fold it back. Nobody even see it. Now, there's a couple of levers underneath me, underneath the seat, right next to the pouch. One's to bring you down, and if you get up the chair, it could lift up as soon as you push the button. So want to push it down, you could go all the way, retract all the way down. And if you want to bring it back up, you're going to have to stand up, push it back up. Now, the second lever, I'm going to show you the second lever. Second lever is on the back, all right? Instead of the front, it goes in the back. You push it back, and it retracts all the way back. And the reason it does that, I'm going to show you the reason it does. Because say you want to take a nap, bring it up, the leg stands out, leg all the way up. Now we're going to get retract all the way to the back. Side profile. If you're not comfortable with it, you could do either a straight format and set up very simple. So now let's talk about a couple functions about the actual back massager and the heating area, right? We're gonna set our phone here and then we're gonna record. All right, so right now we set up our phone so you guys can see how much vibrations you can get out of the air controller. I did turn on the heater so you guys can see how hot it got. So we're gonna turn it on right now. First time turning on so you guys can see and hear about it. That's one function. Now you got a bunch of modes here. Less, up to 8 modes. Go back up to the original one. And right now we're doing back only. And then if you want to get it intense, plus, or lower it down, minus. And of course, we got the power off. And then at the same time, we could turn off the heater or turn on the heater. Right now it's on. We're going to turn it off and show you the heating part. All right, check this out. We're heating it up right now. Nice and warm. You can see it right here. This is where it's heating up. See if I can see any other coils. Just right here. You can see the heat there.